Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Teams, sign in and go straight to Calendar or Chat. Once done, choose Meet Now or New Meeting and invite people by name or email. Make sure to select your camera, microphone, and speaker before you join. This prevents interruptions. If you need privacy, turn on background blur or a custom image. Also check permissions if your camera or mic are grayed out. These first choices set the call quality and your confidence, so take a quick moment here. Once you're in the call, focus on managing controls. Mute when not speaking, toggle camera for bandwidth, and share your screen to present. If you need to change devices, open device settings and swap camera or audio without leaving the meeting. Use view options, gallery, large gallery, or together mode, to see participants differently, and spotlight or pin to keep a speaker visible. Also use chat for links and reactions for quick feedback. These actions keep your meeting smooth and professional. To finish, click Leave or End Meeting. If you recorded, wait for processing and download from OneDrive or SharePoint. Once done, adjust future meeting settings, lobby options, presenter roles, and guest permissions to avoid disruptions. If something breaks, first check your network and reboot Teams. That fixes most glitches. Make sure camera and mic permissions are enabled. Clear the Teams cache if problems persist, or switch to the web client as a quick workaround. These final steps and the troubleshooting tip get you back on track fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.